lie, y'all. I'm feeling like Thanos, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it. This review was supposed to come to y'all sometime last week, but I'm not gonna lie, I was undecided, man. I wasn't sure if I was gonna cop this Jordan 4. One of my favorite Jordan 4s years ago. I just knew that it was gonna sit. I told y'all this a couple of videos ago, and it's not that it's not fire. It's not that it's not OG. It's not nostalgia. Jordan brand is doing what they're supposed to do for the customers, and they making a lot of pairs. But with this drop, they did something that I thought they should have did with the Jordan 1 UNCs. They held it down. They let some pairs fly, and then some pairs fly again, and then tomorrow we got a full restock. That's how they should have did the UNCs. Keep some respect on the sneaker, man. But far as how it looks and the quality, out of the box, man, it looks like 1989. I wasn't there, but it looks like the OGs here, man, from pictures I've seen. So we're going to get into a full 4K review of these. Hit the B-roll. I mean, if you had to decide the best Jordan 4 drop this year, it's a no-brainer. It's the ones in the middle for me. But don't discount how classic this shoe is, guys. It's so classic. They did the black, called it Oreo. I think this sneaker came out 4 or 5 times. But like I said earlier, they saying they made these 1989 look. So we're going to get into a full 4K review of these right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, sporting that same Jordan 4 box with the paint splatter or the elephant print, whatever you like to call it. It's the Jordan 4 OG box. And actually, the SB4s came in this same box. Big Jordan man at the top, flight, all that stuff, man. Bells and whistles in the back. And it reads, Air Jordan 4 Retro Summit White Fire Red. When you get this big lid open, you get that OG splatter on the tissue, some white tissue, and let's get it. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the 2025 Jordan 4 White Cement. Now, I got the tag in here because it messes everything up. But the tag is on the left shoe, guys. So if you're trying to spot fakes, it's on the left shoe. But for now, let's get it back in here. I like the leather, man. I mean, I heard stories, once you put your foot in it, it crease. But that's 1989. That's 1990s. That's not just Jordan. Even the Barclays. Once you put your foot in, you're going to get a line there. It's just going to happen, guys. Like, wear your shoes, man. You got to wear your shoes, guys. So, I read that they swapped out the black hair to make the white hit more, and to me, it's hitting more, man. But that paint splatter is just dope, man. This is an iconic shoe, man. But let's get closer to the leather. It's firm to me, guys. Firm leather. I've seen better, but I've seen worse. And I like this leather, man. So you got all white around the top. You got your Jordan 4 silhouette here. That's where you get your white cement hits. The black silhouette, that's regular Jordan 4. You got the stars with all the gray here. Let's get it to the back. This what did it for me, guys. Like I told you, I was reluctant to buy this shoe. But I saw that Nike Air on the booty, and I just had to get it, man. I love when they put Nike Air here. No disrespect to the Jordan logo. I just don't think it never looks good on the back like Nike Air does. Inside of the shoe here, you got white netting here. You know over time that turns yellow. That's just going to happen. But right now, it's pearly white, and it's super dope, man. You got your white cement hits here. And then, like I said earlier, they put the black there. So I like that. Let's go back to the tongue. Nice Jordan 4 tongue. And I think that's why they were able to make this an SB, because this tongue is already fat. So it kind of gives you SB vibes. So I like that look. You got Flight and Jordan on the tongue, just like the box. And then the iconic upside down Air Jordan logo behind the tongue. Also with the back, you get that pull tab there, that flap. When you're a kid, this really works. You need this to pull this over your ankle as a kid. But as an adult, it just still looked dope to me. You do get a white sock liner, and I hate a white sock liner. But it just speaks to the pureness of this sneaker. Let's try to get inside. White shoelaces. Of course, you don't get extra shoelaces. I never seen a Jordan 4 with extra shoelaces. Probably could double, triple check, but I never seen one. I wish the SBs, though, came with extra laces. That would have made it more of an SB Jordan collab. But your inside here is all black, Nike Air logo there. The bottom is like the only place you really get that fire red hit besides the tongue. But you get the fire red Nike logo here. A little bit of red here, but it's predominantly gray, black, and white like the top of the sneaker. The tongue is the only time you get another fire red hit. So that was the left. Here's the right here, guys. I don't know if every pair comes with this little cutout piece here. Look like a little Al Pfeiffer piece there, but both pairs of mine come with that little piece there, the leather. But it's just clean, man. You know me, if you watch the channel, I just don't like an all-white shoe, but these are clean, man, and it's bringing me back to my childhood. Yes, sir, man. So again, third time I'm saying this on the video. I was reluctant to buy these sneakers. I knew it was so many pairs out that I probably could get it from an outlet, little 25% off. But I caved in and I brought them, man. And Nike on the booty did it. But when they dropped on sneakers, I didn't even try to cop, man. And they sold out, but I knew what it was. I just wound up getting them from Shoe Palace. I think I paid $225 plus tax, probably $244. I feel like it's a lot for this sneaker, man. But it is an OG Jordan 4, and the quality to me is A1, man. Or probably just A, because I'm seeing wrinkles, but $225, man. I'm okay with the price. Also, the air bubble has that little gray in it also, man. That's a dope look, too. Let's not overlook that. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? 4s are killing this year. I gotta check if it's like the 30 or 35 anniversary of 4s. But 4s are killing this year, man. They just came out with them blue, red joints. I feel like they're for kids, man. Just like I felt like the Jordan 1s, same colorway was for kids. Let's see the 5s, though. Or was it the 3s? I know that colorway's coming out again. Let's see how that one look. But this is OG, man. And I'm always keep an OG. I know I'm more of the hype beast, but OGs I love, man. $225 was a little wild, man. But let me know in the comment section below how you feel about these, man. Get me up to about 15 likes on this video. I double back, do a how to style. I got some crazy grays. I got some stuff, man. So like the video, please, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.